Manipur University ki Korean Language Department ki Maheiroi Singda Korea ki Shinhal Bank na Chahi khuding ki piduna lakpa Shinhal Bank Scholarship Chahi Asigi Oinasu Khangatlaba Maheiroi Singda Yenthokhre. Korean Language Department da VA second year, third year amadi MA ki first amadi second year tamliba Maheiroi Singda lupa lising tara dagi kuntra fawgi scholarship Yenthokpa ki thauramadu Manipur University da laiba department asida pangthokhibane. Thauramadu mari lainana Manipur University ki Department of Foreign Language da visiting professor oiriba Professor Hyunkyung Lee na scholarship pibagi thaurang asi Shinhal Bank na Korean loan bu chawkhatnaba paikhatlakpani. Khongthang asigi makhada lisingani kundagi chahi khudingi lupa lakh ahum gi senfam asi tongan ba Maheiroi Singda piduna lakli. Loinana MU da hangliba Korean Language Department da tamba Maheiroi Sing asi Korea da fawba puduna exchange education ki program da saruk yahalli. Masigi mathakta department asigi Maheiroi kharashu Korea gi tongan ba company da thabak pibashu haure haiki.
This time we distribute the scholarship to the 30 students. From the BA second year, 1 student, BA third year, 7 students, MA first year, 9 students, 13 students from the MA second year. Our department, we have a teaching goal. More than the 80 students to get a job from the Korean company or to go to the Korea for their further study. After the graduate, we have the first graduate students in this year. 1 student got the Korean government scholarship, and then now the 5 students get a job from the Korean company. So after the BA program or MA program, more than 80 students, we try to give the job from the Korean company.